Shares in Southwest Airlines coming under pressure. The company posted a wider than expected first quarter loss, revenue lagged estimates, and after delays in Boeing deliveries, Southwest says it's going to pull out of 4 airports. Let's get more on this from Stephen Trent, Managing Director of America's Airlines and Latin Transports at Citi Research. Thanks very much for coming on the show.
Oh, thank you for having me.
We'll get to the quarter in a sec, if that's okay, but that's interesting. Southwest saying we're just going to have to leave 4 airports. Are these significant centers?
Yeah, I mean, anytime you hear something about withdrawing from certain stations from an airline that has benchmarked itself as a growth carrier, it's very important. You know, this isn't an airline that has destinations all over the world. 97% of its capacity is domestic. So I believe just one of the 4 places where they're withdrawing is outside the U.S. So these are important developments for the carrier.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but Southwest really built its franchise on only flying Boeing 737 aircraft and keeping maintenance very simple. So they've really been tied to Boeing for a long time.
Absolutely. And I would say not only that, but you have really any discount carrier. When we think of how a discount airline wins the game, they're never going to compete against a full service network airline on unit revenue. A discount airline is going to win the battle on having a really good seat mile cost profile. And if they don't have enough equipment and not enough capacity to run flights and deploy amount of capacity that will allow them to dilute their seat mile cost, that creates a problem. So that's something that we're seeing not just for Southwest, but this earnings season so far, it's been a big issue for discount airlines versus network airlines. The latter have been performing much better, even with the same Boeing problems.
Just looking at you, I know you touched on this. So they're getting out of Houston's George Bush Airport, Bellingham International Airport in Washington, Syracuse Airport in New York, right across the Lake Ontario from us, and then Mexico's Cozumel International. What is Cozumel International? Do you know offhand? Is it a kind of vacation airport or?
Yeah, Cozumel is certainly one of the key beach destinations in Mexico. That is not entirely surprising. We'd actually heard some of the airlines some time ago call out overcapacity to some of these Mexican beach destinations. So when we heard Southwest today, for example, they'd mentioned that there's been some weaker than expected close-in weakness on some of their leisure channels. So I imagine when they're pulling out of Cozumel, they are indeed seeing some of the overcapacity pressure to Mexico's beaches.
I see the Southwest chief executive, Bob Jordan. He says this is frustrating. He even went off to a Boeing factory to try to shake them up or at least find out what's going on.
Yeah, absolutely. And, you know, when one looks at what's going on in the space right now, it really is sort of a fascinating situation for network carriers versus discount airlines. Everybody's got the same problem with equipment. Everybody wants more equipment. But if we think about what the capacity scarcity means for the different airlines, I would absolutely not paint the group with one brush. You know, here in the U.S. in 2019, we had a little bit less than $24 of economic activity per available seat mile. Last year, we had over $29. This year, we'll reach $30. So what does that mean? You have some risk that the existing capacity is going to get more expensive. And are you one of those airlines that has a lot of premium, economy plus, business class? Or do you really not have that kind of product offering and maybe you cater to more price-sensitive customers? The folks in the latter camp are going to have a tougher time capitalizing on that capacity scarcity.
That's interesting. So you want